How to promote affiliate links on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can promote your affiliate links on Facebook. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to have an affiliate link to promote. So you can find your affiliate links onto various sites, but first let me just tell you what is an affiliate program or what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which businesses reward one or more individual for promoting their products through their connections. So it's basically like that. You get affiliated with a company or a product or a person that is making a product. You promote that product to various people around the internet, around the world, and whenever someone clicks on your affiliate links, you will earn an incentive. And if you manage to sell the said product, then you will be able to earn a commission, a percentage of commission of that product. So that's what we're here to do. Now, the key is you need to find a product that has a higher commission. That way you'll earn more money. I mean, pretty simple, pretty obvious, but not many people know about this. For example, if you're selling a product that's like, let's say a couple of bucks, and the profit that you're going to be getting is like $10, all right? $10 a sale, not a lot. You're gonna need to make like 10 sales a day, through which you can make like $100, which is pretty fine. 10 sales, not a lot of sales, considering like you just have to post the link. But what if you, instead of promoting that small product, you promoted a product with which you can earn like $100 on a single sale? That's what we want to try to find. So over here, this is a an affiliate marketing program called Digistore24. They have a amazing number of products that you can promote. There are various other companies such as Amazon, Walmart, the Home Depot, like all these big companies as well. They also have affiliate programs. If you want to join with them, you can also join with them, but they have a different set of commission for you. Other affiliate programs are like ClickBank and JVZoo. You can also visit them as well. They're pretty cool. But for this video, we're going to be sticking with Digi24. So let's get started. So the sign up process is very simple. Just simply click over here on this blue button, start now. It's free to sign up. Click on it and it'll take you to the sign up page. And over here, you just simply have to sign up and add in these details. So over here, you will see affiliate link. After you've entered in your username, this text field will show you your affiliate link. So don't worry about that. Just simply fill out this whole page and just simply click on register free and get started. And once you have created an account, they will tell you to go into your email address to verify your account. And over here, as you can see, I'm in my email address, and over here they've sent me the email, and I'll just have to click here to activate my account, or I can use this URL in my web browser. And once that's done, you just have to enter in a password, and boom, that's it. And once you have signed up, this is going to be your dashboard, and this is where you're going to have all of your earnings and all of your reports. So you're good to go. Now let's go ahead and go to the marketplace, all offers on the affiliate marketplace, to see what type of products that are available for us. So over here, as you can see, they have a number of products for us to choose, and each product has a different commission rate and a different price as well. So over here, as you can see, this product right here, Home Doctor, I think this is a book. This is going around for the average price of $46, and the commission is 75%. And earnings slash sales is going to be like $25. So you can make like $25 over here, and if someone views it, you're going to earn like $7 over here. Like, it's pretty simple. It's really good. And over here, the sales rank is 4. So 1 in survival, 3 in digital products, and 4 in all products. So it's pretty good. So we can choose which product that we want, but we need to find out a niche. We need to target a specific niche so that we can have like a specific targeted audience. So in my opinion, that number one products that sell online are basically diet type of products, like losing weight products and stuff like that. So that's what we're going to be targeting and focusing on. So let's go ahead and over here on the left side and find the health and fitness. Over here, this is the category. We're going to find this category, and over here we're going to find a product that has a higher commission and a higher payout rate as well. So let's go ahead and do that. There are 81 results, so let's select by a rank or by popularity. So these are the products right here. Let's try to find something good. All right, so over here, this product, as I said before, $66, 80% commission, $33, which is a pretty good, product. So Let's go ahead and find another one, see if we can find a better product. Okay, so over here like this, the Lean Belly 3X, right? This one is going over for $149. The commission is 66% and the sales is almost $83. So this one I think is pretty cool. Let's just keep a lookout for anything that's even better. And over here, I'm seeing nothing too great, but almost all of these products, they're almost all of them are going over $50. So which means that you can easily make like a good amount of money, like this one over here, $126. Commission rate is 55% and 58% is the earnings that you will get for sales. So which is also pretty good. You can also go ahead and do that. And this one as well, 148, $68 in sales. Pretty nice. You can go ahead and do that as well. You can promote these 3 products, and then you can go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and go to the product that we saw in the first one. I think it was in the second page. Here we go. $150, almost 66% in commission. Let's go ahead and promote this one, right? And the sales rank is also 6, which is pretty nice. And the cancellation rate is 7.7, which is pretty low as well. So we're good to go. So let's go ahead and click on promote now. We do that, we get our, promotion link as well. So this is going to be our link. We just simply copy that. It's going to take us over to this store. There we go. This is the ad that whenever someone clicks on the link, this is what they're going to be shown. So we just simply copy the link, has accepted your request, and we just go ahead and do that. Now, another thing that you can do if you want to do it, you can go ahead and go to a link shortener such as a bit.ly or, shrink me, and you can shrink the URL over there as well. So you could try that. Now, let's go ahead and try to promote this product on Facebook itself. Now, there are basically 2 ways that you can do this. Number one is you could maybe find like a video online or create one as well. So let's go ahead and create a actual video. So over here, if I come over to Canva, we'll just simply create a small illustration, you could say, right? Let's go ahead and click on like Facebook post over here. This is going to be the Facebook post, and over here let's go ahead and search for like workout over here on Canva. It's going to be pretty nice. Go into elements, maybe find a graphic that's like working, like a GIF or something like that. Maybe over here in stickers we could find it like over here like this one. We'll just put this over here and maybe scroll down. It's like a nice little salad. We'll do that. Like we have healthy diet over here. Let's go ahead and choose that. We can maybe add like this sticker over here, try to make it as healthy as possible. We could maybe this one use as a background, but it's pretty bad. Well, let me just first put this over here and scroll it up a little bit, to make it a little bit better. There we go. We have that. And we just choose this one, we put them over here in the corner and try to find another one like this lady over here. She's having a yoga pose over here. We could do that as well, like in this corner. I'm just showing you guys like you can do whatever you want, like this one over here as well. Maybe like add this one over here and add this one over here. Okay, so we have a bunch of different ones over here that we can use. So these are pretty nice. You can go ahead and use them. And once you have made it, just simply click on share, and just simply click on download. And once you've downloaded it, you're good to go. Actually, let me just download this as a GIF. Over here, it should be, here we go. Just simply gonna download it as a GIF. I want the video, so we'll just wait for it to download. All right, so this is it. This is what it looks like once it's downloaded. Now what we can do is we can go over to Facebook, and over here we just simply, find, let's say a diet or a weight loss group. I'm already added in a group in advance, so it's a private group. You can go ahead and add into any groups. What you can do is you can go ahead and make a post. So just simply click over here and post/video. Over here, add the video that you have downloaded. There we go. Like this is the post. As you can see, this is how it looks like. And over here, you can go ahead and add this link, and you can say, oh, something like this, like just add something over here. And once that's done, just simply click on post and boom, you're good to go. So that's how you basically promote it. And after that, you can do this with several other groups as well. You can create like another ID and you can promote this on Facebook, and you can do this as well on Instagram and on Twitter as well, and even on TikTok. So there's really not an end to it. Just go ahead and do it. Find a good product, promote it, and boom, you're good to go. So that's how you basically do it. That's how you create amazing videos, and that's how you promote your affiliate links on Facebook. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.